Hello everybody. Today's a sad day. Rios is leaving tomorrow. Long time friend since... When did we become friends?
Ooh, quick interruption. Honestly, had no idea what I was doing with this video. I just decided to start recording a bunch of stuff. So, welcome to my vlog. I hope you enjoy it. Just think this is my second vlog, but yeah, I hope you like it. Let's get back to the video.
I think 2019, yes. I got here 2018. We became friends in 2019. Good guy. He doesn't like to be on camera, so I'm not gonna show him. Knowing you. Oh, whoa, he wasn't on camera. Bahrain drag racing tonight. You guys are about to see the craziest, fastest vehicles that they have on this small little island. This whole area is an F1 track and like the Gran Turismo race tracks, plus the drag strip that I just showed you guys. It is an amazing experience being here. So crazy. RX-7! Oh my gosh, it's right wheel drive too.
Look at it, it's a European.
It's right wheel drive. On December 25th, 2021. Hey, we're all family here.
Crazy doggo, who's a friend?
Floating City, Bahrain. Floating City, so nice. Reminds me of Italy. Enjoy the view. And there's no fence right here too, so you just fall right in the water. Man of the hour.
The gift can only be stolen twice, so the third person is there, locked.
Stupid. I was number 14 and I stole this 15 BD gift card. It's about $30 worth, so. Look at what Schmo got me. Oh yeah, this is what I got. Just an Ethernet cable. He ended up getting it, so it worked out perfectly. Peter's over here got a LOL scooter, so everything worked out. And I think this guy kind of got the most expensive. And Reed stole the Kong over there, so life's good, life's good. Success. Do it again. Oh, it works. Oh!
You're gonna kill somebody.
This is happiness.